Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to create this beautiful and easy tablescape for fall and or Thanksgiving. We moved the chairs out of the way for a better visual. We used a jute table runner to add texture to our table. Next, we bought these faux leather chargers and they'll go together perfectly with the brown earthy tones look that we're going with. And to layer on top, we went with our own dinnerware set to keep costs down, so you can use as much as you can of what you have at home so you don't have to break the bank. So we bought these beautiful and affordable linen napkins at Home Goods, and I think they matched really well with the details of the garland that we're going to use. We decided not to go with napkin rings, so we went with this super simple and yet classic napkin display. Next, we added the garland, and they can get pretty expensive. We got this one at Hobby Lobby, and this one was 40% off. We also got this 2-tier wood tray to elevate the pumpkin decor. We got all of our pumpkins from Hobby Lobby, and no, this video is not sponsored by them, we just love shopping there. We wanted to go with muted colors for our pumpkins, we didn't want bright colors for this look. And here, I'm just setting them up how I want them in no particular order, and I think this is the fun part of decorating, is when you try different looks and see what appeals to you the most. Again, we used our own silverware and glasses for this table setting. We used LED candles for this video and they look beautiful, and of course real candles are so classic and they accentuate any table setting. But when you have little ones running around constantly, these flameless candles are perfect too. And one last finishing touch, we opted to have these pumpkins and leaves picks to place on our plates, and they definitely added an elegant touch to our table setting. And that's it! We were able to create this look using beautiful and affordable decor. This warm and inviting tablescape can be used for fall and for your Thanksgiving feast. We hope you got some inspiration from today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all on our next video. Happy decorating, everyone!